I must be psychic. I came out here to do a quick video because the air conditioning was off. And I said, I bet as soon as I start this little puppy video, the AC is going to kick on. Sure enough, as soon as I press the button, bam, boom, it comes on. Well, anyway, hopefully it's not that loud. But what we're looking at today is one of the ginger plants I got from Ruth's tropical garden a couple of months, I forget, late last year or early this year. My Alzheimer's is kicking in, so I'm really not sure date. But date-wise, we'll forget about that one at the moment. I think I may have a date on one thing, but she gave me an idea about labeling plants with clothespins, so I said, I'm going to have to get a bunch of those little puppies. Those little snap clothespins, they're cool. Not slows, those are the ones that have a little string on them, so I could use them for labeling plants because I have a tend to fight with birds and squirrels and stuff like that. Keep on constantly pulling my tagging system out. Anyway, let's get back to the ginger plant. This one has a white flower, and I had basically, let me just take a look. This is one of the large ones. I didn't divide it down too much, but I did take one section and I made that little baby over there. So that's white ginger, and it's an unusual warm summer. Remember, we don't have any climate controls anymore. The last 3 years, people are forgetting of that exists. Forgetting that we got science. Who knows? That's a big one. Hopefully we can change that November 3rd. All right, getting back to what's at hand is my white flowering ginger plant. I got 4 colors: white, orange, pink, and yellow. Okay, I think I picked up the 4 colors, but basically this is a white one, and it's pretty densely populated, as you can see from the pot. And it was only about half the size when I firstly received them from Ruth's tropical garden, so everything looks to be cool. Everything's cooking away in the garden. The weather couldn't have been nicer, a little more warm than it normally would be. Feel sorry for the people out in California. Too bad we had somebody that was really in charge in the country. Might be looking at this entirely different, but then again, hopefully we're just doing one day at a time in the Dougherty garden. And I just want to let you know that this is the white ginger. I'm trying to see, the reason I was looking around to see if there's any little sections that were getting ready to put out a flower, but apparently it's not the season for it yet. It may be late September or October, or even later than that. As you can see, the plants look relatively young and are fairly vibrant. Wake up, Marty. And we're enjoying this look, and I'm looking forward to the colors. The orange ones, for some reason, I have them in the garden in the back section established, and they are blooming like crazy. Those ginger plants. This one, no. Let me take it back on that one. I don't think it's ginger plants. I think that's heliconia. So erase that one, Marty. Okay, goodbye. Erase. All right. Once again, this is Marty Dougherty from the Dougherty Garden, and we're looking at the white ginger. Hopefully, when they start to bloom, I will update the little blog. I'm holding off on the blog for a while until I figure what the hell I'm going on, who's on first, and everything else. So, meantime, feel sorry for the people in the Gulf Coast with that storm that's just nailing them. So, hopefully, we don't get anything over here. Once again, say thank you for stopping by. Please like the video. Subscribe to the channel, because I'm trying to go through all the plants that are in the Dougherty garden, and we'll do that one day at a time. I'm trying to capture at least one. I'm trying to set up a system with my Excel spreadsheet to track all of them and track the label. And as I'm filming this, I'm looking at a very mature, 1, 2, 3. The spider is like a millionth of an inch big, and he's literally crawling up on my video. So wish I had a camera to take a picture of it. You would never believe the size of the spider. It is, the head of a pin is probably 5 times the size of his little darling. And let me just get rid of him before I take him inside and he bites the hell out of me. All right, thank you. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I need all the attention I can get, so ask me some question. And I appreciate the ones that do answer, and I'll hopefully answer and give you at least a logical response. If you don't think it's logical, let me know, and I'll pursue other sources. Thank you. Bye-bye.